Welcome back to my channel Maths and Olympiad. In this video we have an amazing radical math simplification question which says square root of 7 times 1 0, 8 times 8 plus 1 over 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 then 7 6 5 4 3 2 2 minus 1. I will be using a mathematical trick to simplify the denominator. So it would be very interesting to watch this video till the very end. So let's get started. Now I will write 7 times 1 0 as it is. 4 5 6 7 0. Then I will multiply this 7 times 1 0 by, since we have 8 times 8, so I will write as 1, then 8 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus, then I will add 8 times 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 1 over, I will subtract 1 from this number, so we will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and then 1 at the ones place. Now we have 7 times 1 0, so I will subtract 1 from 8 times 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 minus 1 multiply by, we can write this number in the exponential form. I can write it as 10 raised to power 8 plus, I will take 8 common from this number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 1 I will write the denominator as it is, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Now we will simplify the denominator first. We should know this mathematical fact that 1 can be written as 1 multiplied by 1. 1 2 1 can be written as 2 times 1 into 2 times 1. 1 2 3 2 1 can be written as 3 times 1 multiplied by 3 times 1. 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 can be written as 4 times 1 multiplied by 4 times 1. If you see, there is a pattern here. This middle digit tells us that how many ones will appear on the right hand side. So in our given case, we have a middle digit 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 equal to, so I can write 8 times 1 multiply by 8 times 1, 5 6 7 8 multiply by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This can be written as 4 5 6 7 8 whole square. So we have 8 times 1 6 7 8 minus 1 multiply by 10 raised to power 8 plus 8 multiply by 8 times 1 plus 1 over, we can write this in the denominator, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whole square. Since we have a common term 8 times 1 in the numerator as well as in the denominator, so I will suppose 8 times 1 equal to x. Let 8 times 1 equal to x. So I will substitute x in place of 8 times 1. So it will become x minus 1 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 plus 8 multiplied by x plus 1 over x square